Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in with your work account and confirming the Sharepoint license. This gives you needed features. Once signed in, create a site collection or pick a team site template to match your project. Next, set up document libraries and folders while thinking about who needs access and why. Make permission groups now so you avoid chaos later. This early structure saves time and ensures consistent organization, so proceed to add a few sample files and test access with a colleague. Once basic structure exists, configure permissions at the group and folder level so sensitive files stay protected. Enable versioning and checkout to prevent overwrite conflicts, and add metadata columns to make search and filtering fast. Then integrate with Teams for chat and with Planner for tasks. Connect Power Automate for simple approvals. You should test a content update flow end-to-end so you can see notifications and version history. Make sure to document the naming convention and metadata rules for the whole team. To finish, lock down governance. Configure retention, external sharing, and a schedule for site reviews. Train the team on uploading standards, check-in and check-out, and consistent metadata so search stays reliable. Audit site activity and clean up unused libraries quarterly and archive older content as needed. If something breaks, start by checking permissions and the OneDrive/sync client, then review version history to restore files. Keep one person responsible for governance so problems are caught early and resolved quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.